Well, fresh developments are coming in as far as the murder case of the Deputy SP of Kunda is concerned. The CBI has now registered 4 separate FIRs in the case relating to the DSP's death. Remember, Akhilesh Yadav, the Chief Minister, had passed on the case to the CBI. This after the family had asked the CBI to take over. Akhilesh Yadav had given in to public and political pressure. The CBI is now handling the case, and the big news right now is that the CBI has registered 4 separate FIRs in this case. Poonam is on the phone line with us. Poonam, the big question really would be if Raja Bhaiya has been named in any of these FIRs.
Well, this is what we are gathering from the sources, because the complaint of Zia-ul Haq's wife clearly mentions about the fact that she has spoken alleged in the involvement of Raja Bhaiya. So what we have gathered from the CBI is that they are going to duplicate all the FIRs which they have gathered from UP police. So certainly, though they are unconfirmed reports, but certainly what we are getting from the sources that Raja Bhaiya will be named in one of the FIRs which is on the basis of the complaint of Zia-ul Haq's wife. Now, apart from that, there are 3 more FIRs which are on the 3 murders of one of Pradhan, another of Pradhan's brother, and the third one is on Deputy SP Zia-ul Haq. What we are also gathering is that very soon the CBI team is going to reach the spot where the incident happened, and they are certainly, the crime scene is the most important place which needs to be investigated, inspected thoroughly in this particular matter. What CBI is saying that they're going to speak to the witnesses who were present at that point of time. They are also going to check the call records of the various people who are suspected to be involved in this entire matter. As of now, CBI is not clarifying exactly what all their findings are, but certainly with the registration of FIR, the movement in the investigation has begun.
Poonam, would just like you to clarify one. So you're saying that what the CBI has done is duplicated the FIRs already filed by the UP police, and that means that the FIR that the CBI has also registered right now does have Raja Bhaiya's name.
Yes, this is what we are gathering, that because in any case, if a matter has been transferred from any state, CBI generally duplicate the FIR. This is the protocol. In all the cases we have seen in the past as well, like Arushi case as well, CBI duplicate the FIR properly. They do not make any changes in the FIR. They take the FIR from the state government, police, and then they write the same, whatever is mentioned in that FIR in their own FIR. But during the investigation, whatever they find, if they find involvement of more than one person who is named in the FIR, then they charge sheet that person or make certain changes as per the investigation. But at the moment, the FIR will be duplicate FIR of the UP police which they registered.
Poonam, thank you very much for those details. Now, of course, it's been 5 days after that honest cop was killed in full public view. There is no action against the powerful politician named in the case. Raja Bhaiya continues to roam freely even as the cop's wife demands justice. He has neither been arrested nor questioned, but the CBI has now named him because in their FIR because they have duplicated the FIR filed by the UP police. Now, Akhilesh Yadav has conveniently passed on the probe to the CBI. The CBI team is in process. They are picking up the pieces from where the UP police left, and of course the FIRs, the 4 separate FIRs have been filed in this case, and we have been seeing several attempts by the UP police to put a lid on the conspiracy angle in the case. The conspiracy angle, of course, becomes evident from the post-mortem report, which clearly indicates that the Deputy SP was in fact beaten before he was shot to death.
जी, हमने जो बॉडी के घाव देखे थे उनके जो घाव थे, मतलब पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट को पढ़ने समझने के बाद से ये मुझे लगा कि लगभग सेम है। लेकिन हमने वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग की डिमांड की है, फोटोग्राफी की डिमांड की है। वो जब मुझे मिल जाएगा, अभी डिमांड की है, मेरे पास पहुंचा नहीं। वो जब मिल जाएगा मैं फिर उससे टैली करूंगी, तब अपना मेरा पूरा कंफ्यूजन दूर होगा। अभी जो रिटर्न जो मैंने समझा है उससे तो मैं सेटिस्फाइड लग रही हूँ।
अच्छा बताइए कि आप कब छोड़ रहे?
बिल्कुल वही पद लूंगी, मुझे वही पद चाहिए।
अगर
और
नहीं
इसलिए
मिलता
हमने प्रार्थना पत्र भी दिया है
अगर उसके इक्विवेलेंट दिया जाता है मेडिकल में या किसी और में, तो उसमें क्या, उस पर क्या?
मुझे वही चाहिए, वही पद चाहिए।
तीसरा एक आखिरी सवाल है कि
देखिए, सबको हमसे सिंपैथी है, इसलिए सब लोग आ रहे हैं। अब मुझे बस ये है कि किसी के जरिए भी मुझे न्याय मिले।
एक तो इसके ऊपर इतनी चर्चा हो गई है, इसको तोड़ के मड़ोड़ के, इसको हर तरह से डिस्टॉर्ट करके ये सब मत करिए। देखिए, कोई चीज गलत चीज हुई है, उसका देयर शुड बी, इट डज नॉट मैटर हु दैट पर्सन इज और विच पार्टी और विच कंट्री और विच स्टेट, लॉ मस्ट टेक इट्स कोर्स।